In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Vagaro booking page. Whether you're looking to spruce up your service offerings or update your booking availability, you come to the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it simple for you to enhance your client's booking experience. First things first, let's head over to Vagaro. You'll find it by typing Vagaro into your search bar or entering the URL directly into your browser. It's the gateway to managing your business effectively on their platform. Once you're on the Vagaro homepage, your next move is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the next step. This is your entry point into the back end of your business listing, where all the magic happens. In today's age of convenience, Vagaro offers a seamless way to log in using your Google account. So, when you see the option to log in with Google, go ahead and click on it. This eliminates the need to remember another set of login credentials, making the process quicker and more secure. After you've clicked on the Login with Google button, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. If you're already signed in to your Google account on your device, this step should be a breeze. Choose the account you want to use, and you're almost there. Now that you're logged in, navigate to Go to My Business. This is where you can access all the features related to managing and customizing your business on Vagaro, including editing your booking page. To start the customization process, you'll need to access your site management area. Look for My Site at the top of the page and click on it. This will take you to a dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online presence within Vagaro. Once you're in the My Site area, direct your attention to the left panel. Here you'll see an option labeled Book Now page. Click on it to open the page editor. This is where you can make all the necessary changes to ensure your booking page reflects your business just the way you want it to. Now, for the fun part, editing your page. You'll notice that you can click on various elements on the page to modify them. Whether it's updating service descriptions, adjusting available times, or changing the look and feel of the page, just click on the element you wish to edit. A simple click brings up the editing tools you need to customize each part of your booking page. It's a straightforward way to make your page more appealing and functional for your clients. After you've made all the necessary changes and are satisfied with how your booking page looks, it's time to go live with those changes. To do this, simply click on Publish. This action will update your booking page with all the edits you've made, making them visible to your clients. Publishing your changes is the final step in ensuring your Vagaro booking page is exactly how you want it to be. Crafting a booking page that resonates with your brand and makes it easy for clients to book your services is essential. By following these steps, you've not only updated your booking page, but also taken a significant step in enhancing your online presence. Remember, your booking page is often the first point of interaction between you and potential clients. Making it informative, user-friendly, and reflective of your business can significantly influence their decision to book with you. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in making your Vagaro booking page the best it can be. Don't hesitate to revisit any step in this tutorial as you continue to update and refine your booking experience. Here's to creating a fantastic booking page that your clients will love.